In today's video, we are going to cover how to enter daily sales in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look for the plus new button. Click it to open the menu of transaction types. In the Customers column, select Sales Receipt. This opens the form used to record sales that were paid at the time of the transaction, which is what you will use for daily sales entry. At the top of the sales receipt, go to the Customer field. Select the customer you want to use for these entries. If you do not already have a customer set up for this purpose, create one with a general name such as daily sales. Using a dedicated customer name can help keep these entries grouped together in your records. Next, enter the sales receipt date. Set this to match the day of the sales you are recording. Make sure the date reflects the correct business day before moving on, since that affects how the income appears in reports and daily totals. In the detail section of the form, begin entering what was sold. Add the product or service for each item if those entries are already set up in your company file. If you are not selecting a product or service, choose the appropriate income account instead. Then fill in the quantity, rate, and amount for each line. Continue line by line until all sales for that day are represented on the receipt. Take a moment here to make sure each line is tied to the correct product, service, or income account, especially if you are summarizing multiple sales into one daily entry. After the line details are entered, move to the payment section. Select the payment method that matches how the funds were received, if that information applies to your process. Then choose the account where the payment was deposited or received. This is an important detail because it determines where QuickBooks places the money in your records. Once everything is filled in, review the full sales receipt before saving it. Check the total sales amount and compare it to the day's sales figure you are working from. Also confirm that the customer name, date, product or service details, income account selection, payment method, and receiving account are all correct. This final review helps catch misposted income or incorrect totals before the transaction is recorded. When the information looks right, click Save and Close if you are finished entering sales for now. If you need to continue with another day's entry right away, click Save and New instead. QuickBooks will record the sales receipt and either return you to your dashboard or open a fresh form for the next entry. Your daily sales are now recorded in QuickBooks Online with a saved sales receipt.